Good morning, our students. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to talk about past continuous. Past continuous means that you know exactly the time when it was happening. For example, we said I played yesterday, but I don't know when did you play yesterday. Okay? It's more specific, so accurate than past simple. This means that I must say was if the doer or the subject is singular, or where if the doer or the subject is plural. Then verb being, I add ing to the verb. For example, he was playing at 7 o'clock yesterday. They were having lunch at 3 p.m. last week. What is the meaning of past continuous? Past continuous means that I use it when I want to talk about a specific time. This means I know the exact time that action happened in. I know that you did it before, yesterday. But come on, when? When did you did it exactly? Or, for example, I played yesterday, as I said. This means it refers to the action. But here, it is so accurate about the time. I must mention the time. So I say I was playing at 7 p.m. yesterday. Another usage, two or more actions. Two actions or more. This means that two things happened at the same time, were happening at the same time. This means that I use the conjunctions when or while or and. When or while or and. Okay? For example, I was studying when the light went out. This means that you stopped studying. Why? Because the light went out. You can't study no more. Okay? Another example. He was playing while his brother was watching TV. Two persons here. I have two persons. One was playing and the other one was watching TV. Or to describe a scene of something. This means that. Like a story. To describe a scene of a story, for example. The keywords time expressions that I can use in this case, in this grammar, all, I can say all day yesterday, all morning, all evening, all night, or at 6 o'clock last week, at 6 o'clock last month, at 3 o'clock last year, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, at this time, last week, at this time last month, at this time last year, or from a specific o'clock to a specific o'clock. For example, from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. The formation, when I want to talk about myself in affirmative or negative, I was verbing. In negative, I wasn't, then verbing. I add ing. For example, I was watching TV. Negative, I wasn't watching TV. In singular, if the doer is one person, was also or wasn't. For example, he, one person, so was, he was watching TV at 7 o'clock. Plural, were or weren't. Plural means were or weren't after it. For example, they, a group of people, they were watching TV. They were watching TV. Interrogative, as we said, refers to yes or no question. If you ask about one person, was I watching TV? Yes, I was, or no, I wasn't. Was he watching TV? Yes, he was, or no, he wasn't. If I want to ask about a group of people, more than one person, were they? As you say there, they were. You do a scissors. They were they? He was he? I was I? Okay, they were watching TV. Were they watching TV? Yes, they were. No, they were not. In WHO questions, you just add the article what, then was or were according to the subject. So I have here they. So what were they doing? I have here he. So what was he watching? I ask about the thing he was doing, or the thing they were doing. Eating, they were eating, he was running, and so on. But I must mention the time. I must mention the time. Okay? All the best. Thank you. Here we have a homework. In this file, you will follow the example as we did in the other examples before. I have here the verb. You mention the past of it, or present simple first when you want to talk about habit, fact, routine, or present continuous now, or past simple did before. You know when, but no effect, and past continuous did before. Know the exact time of the action and when exactly did it happen. Okay? All the best.